and you're not sure if you can trust them. Today's episode, we talk about finding the right honest repair shop for you and your car. You need brakes, your shocks are leaking, your engine mounts are destroyed, and the rear end is about to fall off. But I just came in for an oil change. Yeah, we've all been there. Repair shops that hit you with the scare tactics. You better not drive this or you're just gonna crash and burn like right now. And your first thought should be, but I drove it in, so why would driving it out be a problem? This is where we as consumers, as car owners, fall into the trap of just going someplace because the last minute when something goes wrong with our car, we need to find a repair shop. Repair shops is about relationships, and it starts with honesty. You think, oh my goodness, that can't be. I mean, they're all crooks, right? Well, there is a lot of honest repair shops out there, and there's a lot of honest mechanics out there doing what they love to do as a passion, to fix, to solve. However, some franchises, unspokenly, we won't mention their names, will push the scare tactics on you because they need to make their bottom line. So how do I find an honest repair shop? Start by saying, I just need an oil change. Go in and look at the facility. How clean is it? How many mechanics do they have? Ask. You're allowed to ask as the consumer, hey, Mr. John, how many years have you been in business? How many mechanics do you have? Are they all ASE certified? What are your hours of operation? And ask, can I take a quick look at the facility? You walk around and you see engines, dirty oil, stuff everywhere, garbage piled up. That's usually an indication of the quality of work they're gonna do. But if you see a repair shop that's nice and clean, everything's in order, the bays are mopped, mechanics are using fender covers, they got gloves on, or they're clean, their shirts are tucked, and they're decent in appearance, that is an indication that that shop is managed correctly and it's basically run properly. And with that comes honesty. So make sure that you start with a simple oil change and ask questions. Hey, is there anything else I need to know about? Take control of the conversation. Don't ask, but tell. If you go in and say, well, I'm not a mechanic, I don't know anything about cars, please don't tell me I have bad news, my budget is only $500, these are the wrong things to say. Or, I only have X amount of dollars, please make sure I don't need anything above and beyond that. You're asking permission for that. Don't do that. Go in with simple, I need an oil change, check my tires, check my car, tell me if there's anything I need to know about. And once they come tell you, learn to ask the right questions. Well, Mrs. Johnson, you need brakes. All right, do I need them now? Oh, that changes everything, doesn't it? Well, not really. Okay, well, when? No, maybe about 5,000 miles or 6,000 miles. Now you're in control to understand I have to budget for brakes versus you need them and you don't ask and you just take their word for it and all of a sudden you're spending money that you don't have to. Make sure that you take control of the conversation and make sure that you ask, may I speak with the manager? There's not a problem. You